Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the dataset usable and the environment repeatable. Install required packages, then load the CSV and inspect columns and missing values so you know what to clean. Once done, perform a quick exploratory analysis and encode categorical features. Next, split the data into train and test sets, commonly 80/20, while preserving class balance. Make sure to save a random state so results are reproducible and you can iterate confidently. You now transform features and establish a baseline. First, pipeline imputation and scaling so numeric ranges don't bias the model. Do one-hot encoding for nominal categories. Once done, create a scikit-learn pipeline that bundles preprocessing with a simple model like logistic regression or random forest classifier. Use cross-val score to measure baseline performance and inspect variance. Then tune a few hyperparameters with grid search CV or randomized search CV, keeping metrics that match your goal, accuracy, F1, or awk. You finalize by fitting the selected pipeline on the entire training set and evaluating performance on the held-out test set to get an unbiased estimate. Once done, persist the trained model using joblib and export preprocessing artifacts. Log metrics and feature importances for future reference. When deploying, wrap predict calls with the same preprocessing. If results are bad, check one key troubleshooting item. Confirm there is no data leakage between train and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.